Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandy Giz, and I'm back to share with you all my current obsessions for the month of August. So let me just dive in and share with you all what I just been really loving. So we're gonna get started, and this is in no particular order, so I'm just gonna be reaching for things and share with you all what I've been loving. Okay, let's start with LANIEGE. You guys know this is hands down my favorite lip sleeping mask. It's in sweet candy. I love this stuff. I keep it in my purse, my car, in my drawer. I recently picked up this from the Sephora sale. This is the gummy bear. This one right here is in gummy bear, but I am so in love with this sleeping mask. It smells so good. It moisturizes your lips, and if you never tried this, you need to go to Sephora and pick it up. If you don't want to get the jar, if you don't want to commit, I think they have like the ones. I have a smaller one. This is in berry if you want a smaller one, or just get the tube and just keep it in your So like I said, if you haven't tried LANIEGE, you might want to try it out. It's a really good product. And we're gonna move on. We are going to talk about skincare. This is from Glow Recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. It hydrates and pore refining. This product right here, I don't know, it's like a game changer. It just did something to my skincare routine, and it works. With this product, I get a little cotton pad. I put the cotton pad on and I just rub it all over my face, and it just seems like it just makes my skin soft and supple. It brightens up my my face, and it just does a lot. It reduces the look of my pores on my face, because you can usually when I put on foundation, you can actually see the pores. Even if I don't have on foundation, you can see the pores, but with this, it is a pore tightener and it's a pore refining, so it does a lot. And I will repurchase this here product. I do have the Ordinary that I'll probably use, but most definitely this is a rebuy. My next current obsession is this Born This Way concealer, and this is the multi-use sculpting concealer from Too Faced. It is a super coverage concealer, and this is in the shade Butterscotch. I just picked up another one. This is in Cookie. You guys, I love this here concealer. I own 2 of them. Hands down my favorite. I am obsessed with it. I love the fact that it's just big. It's a big, huge doe foot applicator, and you could just add it, and it does wonders, you guys. And like I said, this is a game changer with this huge doe foot applicator. You don't need a lot. You just put like maybe 3 or 4 dots on each side. You don't even have to dip it back in, and it just gives you a nice coverage. I love this stuff. And to set it, what I have been loving so far is from Kylie Jenner. This is her setting powder in beige, and I really like her setting powder. It's pretty good in my opinion. This is it right here, and again, it's the setting powder in beige. It looks like, you know, a normal setting powder, but one thing I like about it, it doesn't make my under eyes look dark. I know some setting powders will make your under eye dark, so that's why I reach for this a lot. The next product that I wanted to talk about is a skincare product, and this is from Tatcha. This is the Violet C. This is her brightening serum, and this is pretty good. I don't know how much I have in it because it kind of feels heavy, but this is a great product to have. It helped take away my hyperpigmentation. It's not like fully gone, but it reduced the, I guess, appearance of the dark spots, or the dark spot, because I would have one right here, real dark, and it's not all the way gone, but it's not as visible as it usually would be, because I would have to use a lot of concealer and foundation to cover it up. So with this, it's a really good product. I'm not gonna pump it out, but it's just like a Japanese angelica root plus dual vitamin C for all skin types. So you just pump out like 2 pumps, and you just put it all over the face. And this right here is another game changer for your skincare. And I just recently started falling in love with this spray right here. This is from Glow Recipe. I just shook it up, you guys. I love the way it sprays out. I'm gonna do it for you, and it smells so good. It smells so good, and it's not like pow in your face. It just like, and it doesn't make you look oily or anything. So yeah, I like it. It's just a fine mist, and it smells good. It's refreshing. And if you have like a little cooler, like a little mini fridge, you can just put that in it to just give you a hydrated feel. So this right here is hydrating, and it's a glowing radiance, which I love. So yes, that's what I've been obsessed with. And let me show y'all. So if you like an oldie to my channel, you probably already know that I've been obsessed with these two products. These are under eye products from Inkey List, and it's the Inkey List, and this is the brightening eye cream that I've been in love with. This is the brightening eye cream that I've been in love with, you guys. Oh my gosh, I put this under my eyes, and I like that cooling sensation because I have dark circles under my eyes. So I've been trying out all kinds of stuff to at least like lighten up underneath, and so far it seems like it's working, in my opinion. So I'm going to use it all up, and yeah, I think I probably will be repurchasing this again. But then again, knowing me, I'll probably move on to something else. But yeah, this has been in my rotation, and this is the Caffeine eye cream, and it's pretty good too. It takes away, like, it depuffs if you have like, if you wake up and you have puffy eyes underneath, so it just hydrates. And I use this during the morning, so I use this AM and PM. To do my eyebrows, these two are my staple products. I like the one that matches my skin tone on top when I sculpt my brows, and I like this one for the bottom. And the one that I like to highlight is in ginger, and these are from NARS. It is called their Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and this is it right here. This right here is in ginger, and the other one is in caramel, and that just matches my skin complexion. So those are like my favorite, you guys. And although this is a little sample size, this has been going a long way. I've had this, I think, like for a month and a half, and I used it every day, and I put a dent in it, and it's like still maybe 3 days of product left. I already upped and purchased during the sale the full size, and I can't wait. But this right here is from Tatcha. It's called the water cream. It is bomb, you guys. It takes your skincare to another level. Like I said, I use it at night, and sometimes I use it during the day if I'm, you know, I feel like I don't want to wear it. To me, it just preps the skin for if you decide you want to wear makeup. If not, it's still okay. Your face is going to be looking soft, supple, hydrated. It's like it moisturizes the skin, and it just makes your face look really good. Especially when you wake up in the morning, you won't have that like crusty, tight look to your face. You just look like you woke up like this, you know. So that's how I can explain what it does for me in so many words. So yeah, I like that. Okay, let's move to hair. This is from Frieda, and I got this one because it's for extra strength. It's for thick, coarse hair, and I use this when my hair is damp to blow dry my hair out, because it's a smoothing and hydration with extra humidity resistance. And I like to use this in the summer months because it's usually hot and humid outside, and so in order for my hair to kind of last, you know, at least a good 3 days without reverting back, I'll use this in my hair. And I try to like steer clear of products that doesn't have any humidity resistance or humidity blocking agents in it. So yeah, and then I've been using this too in the roots when I flat iron my hair, and this is really great. And I use this when I flat iron my hair. This is called the Fantasia Hair Polisher Heat Protector Straightening Spray, and I just spray it all over my hair to just, you know, protect it from the heat. And this is alcohol free, and this is it right here. And this is from Ampro. This is the Marcel wax. You don't need a big one because this lasts a long time, and I know this is old school, but it works. Okay, since we're on here, I want to talk about the Instant Control. This is their Edge and Braid Gel Maximum Hold. Now I purchased this on Amazon and it is my favorite. This is the best gel that I've ever had that works. This is some good stuff. By me having thick coarse hair and I'm natural, and like my edges, when I want them to look sleek and slick, like I have a relaxer, I'll use this. And this gel is brown, and you guys see that I'm almost out. I just placed the order this morning. I woke up this morning, I placed the order, so it should be here soon. This is on Amazon, and this right here is bomb, you guys. So let me show y'all again. Thank me later. This is some good stuff. So shout out to JC's Instant Control Edge and Braid Gel for maximum hold. This is some good stuff. And back to skincare. This is the Dermalogica Clear Start Breakout Foaming Wash. This is really good. I like this a lot. It works really well, and it's not expensive at all. I think it's probably about no more than $22, but you get this huge product, which is 6 ounces of product, and it deep cleanses and purifies your skin. You can use it in the morning and at night, and this has a really nice scent. I love it. The next item I wanted to share with you all is from New Evolution, and they sent this to me for a review, and I have fallen in love with it. It is called Malibu. It's their lip gloss, and it is vegan friendly. That is it right here. It is so pretty on the lips, and I do love it. It's another one that I like to wear. I can't find it. Oh, here's another one, and this one is called Bling, and it's a gold. It is super pretty. It might not show up on my skin because, well, y'all can't see that, but it's gold. I like that one too. Okay, I have 3 more products and I'll be done. Okay, this is from Wet n Wild. It's the Mega Volume Mascara. This has been my go-to for the month, and I'm about to move to something new from, I think, Pat McGrath. I just purchased one for Pat McGrath, and so far I like that. But I just wanted to share with you all this because I was using it in the month of August, and I use it in conjunction with this L'Oreal Voluminous. This is their primer base, and I've had this. I had samples of this, and they also sell it like at Walmart, Target, but this has a lot of product in it, and I use it. I put it on my lashes. I'm wearing falsies today, but when I'm going to work I don't wear false lashes. I put this on my lashes to, you know, coat it, and it just adds volume. It pumps it up, and it just makes it more voluminous in my opinion, and it just looks more black, and I like that. This is a okay mascara. Wearing it by itself without this primer doesn't do it any, you know, it doesn't do any justice, but adding these two together is a great combination for some nice lashes if you can't wear falsies and you just want to wear your natural lashes. Okay, and I have been loving the fragrance Juliette Has a Gun. This is my second one. I usually buy the purse sample. I usually buy the purse spray so that I can just spray it. You know, it just smells so good. It's nice, crisp, clean, and I love. So this one is really good, and I wear this one as well. I've been wearing this to work. This is Kilian. I don't need a prince by my side to be a princess. You guys know these have been my 2 favorite fragrances. I think and I haven't worn the Mason, what is this, the Francis Kirk Dijon fragrance Baccarat Rouge. I haven't worn this. To me, in my opinion, this is more of a fall winter's fragrance because it's kind of heavy. I like light, crisp, clean fragrances, so those are the 2 that I've been reaching for, and I love it. And this last product right here is from Aquaphor. This has been my baby, my friend. I just purchase some more. This is the Healing Ointment Advanced Therapy. It's a skin protectant, and it does so much, especially in the summertime when you get like if you get mosquito bites and you itching. It just heals your skin. It makes you real moisturized, and I don't know, lately I'm gonna show y'all some. I purchased these 2, and don't get me wrong, it's a really nice product, but not for me. I picked this up. This is the Nivea oil infused lotion, coconut and manoi oil. It makes me itch like nobody's business. And this Aveeno creamy moisturizing. The only way I can use this if I apply this to it. So yep, so with that being said, I'm going to end this video here. I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a blessed one. Bye, y'all.